Inside the White House. The White House, 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue, Washington, D.C. is the most famous address in America. It is where the United States President worked, but it is also his private home where he lived with his family. He has children birthdays party, holiday dinner, and wedding in this world famous building. This building, first built in 1800, the White House is where the President of the United States governs a country of 50 states and 304 million people. He lives with his family on the second and third floor. There are 16 bedrooms, a living room, a kitchen, and a dining room. Special guests stay in the Queen's bedroom or the Lincoln bedroom. In the West Wing are the staff office. The president is all office. The Oval office is also there. It has the large window behind the president desk, and there is the fireplace at the other end. Each new president uses new curtains, new furniture, and a special new carpet. There are pictures of all presidents on the wall, and there is the famous desk, a guest from the Spanish Queen Victoria in 1880. Thus White House day by day. Thus White House is open to visitors. It is free. About 6,000 people a day visit. The president meets special guests in the East Room and talk to journalists in the press room. About 150 people work of the president in the West Wing and for the First Lady in the East Wing. Another 100 people look after the building day and night. There are 132 rooms, 35 bedrooms, and 5 kitchens, all on 6th floor. There are 3 elevators. The street dining room is big enough for 140 guests. Outside, garden grow fruit and vegetables. There is also a tennis court, a jogging track, and a swimming pool. Inside, there is a movie theater, a billiard room, a bowling alley, and a library. As former President Reagan said, the White House is like an 8-star hotel.